This is a video tutorial on how to set up your Arbiship account. After you've created an account, you should be at the quick setup page where you'll first need to connect to eBay. Select the marketplace you're selling under and follow the instructions to connect. Next, you will set up your eBay settings. If you're watching this video in 2021 or later, most likely you'll already be on eBay Managed Payments, so you won't need to worry about the first two PayPal settings. These fees will already be included in the total eBay fees, which are calculated automatically by Arbiship. However, if you're not on Managed Payments yet, the default PayPal fee percentage is 2.9% and the PayPal transaction fee is 30 cents per sale. The discount percentage is the percentage of cashback that you can receive from a cashback credit card like the Amazon Prime card. If you have the Amazon Prime card, the cashback percentage is 5%. If you don't have a cashback card, you can leave this as 0. The minimum profit is the lowest dollar amount you're willing to accept for each sale. I recommend setting this to 0 so that you don't lose money on any sales, since Arbiship will not process any orders unless they are profitable. And keep in mind that the discount percentage also factors into the minimum profit. The max eBay price is a price you can set yourself that tells Arbiship not to process any orders that is being sold for more than this amount on eBay. Generally, this is for high-ticket items that you're selling, for which you want to double-check and verify that the customer's information is correct before processing the order. The fallback phone number should be your own phone number in case the buyer did not include their phone number in the order. Set always use fallback phone to false because you only want to use your phone number as a last resort. The time zone is self-explanatory. Set this to your own time zone. Set marked items ship immediately to false so that the item is marked as shipped when tracking is uploaded. If you set it to true, the item will be marked as shipped immediately after purchase on Amazon, which is incorrect. Auto detect items should be set to true so that Arbiship can pick up your eBay orders. Tracking upload should be set to disabled because we are going to be using another software called TrackerBot for tracking upload. We are not using Arbiship because Arbiship only converts tracking numbers from Amazon Logistics to BlueCare Express. If you would like to learn more about BlueCare Express and why we need it, please watch my TrackerBot account setup tutorial. Moving on, check the box to enable auto ordering so that Arbiship can fulfill orders automatically for you. Check the box for error notifications to get emails from Arbiship whenever there is an error. And lastly, check the box to ignore eBay sales tax in the profit calculations since the tax that eBay collects is not part of your profits. Once you're done with that, click on Update and your settings should be saved. Now let's go to our Amazon settings. The Amazon email is the email used to log into your Amazon buying account, and this is the password for that account. The Authenticator 2FA key is an extra security measure for your account, and you will need to set this up in order for Arbiship to work properly. Click on the setup guide and follow the instructions very carefully. If you don't set this up correctly, Arbiship will not work, and you may run into problems with your Amazon account. You should be using a credit card for the payment type, but if you don't have one, you can use gift cards as well. Type in your credit card number here if you have one. You should not be marking orders as gifts because Amazon will include a gift receipt with your order, and your buyers will definitely know you're dropshipping from Amazon. Amazon does not include an invoice or a packing slip in your package. They stopped doing that many years ago, so there's no need to mark orders as gifts. Set allow third-party shipments to false because we only want items fulfilled by Amazon. Set maximum handling days to 3 because that's what we have on eBay. And always use Prime shipping. Keep these advanced settings the way they are. And lastly, for your billing address, make sure this information matches what you have on Amazon. If these don't match, you're going to have problems with your Amazon account. Click on Update and you're done. If you found this content useful and you would like to sign up for Arbiship, please consider using my referral link below. Thank you.